Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics HQ. This is Professor Sandeep. Today we'll be discussing the numericals on topic errors from class 11 physics which has occurred in the CET, JEE or NEET exam. Let us start with the first sum. A student measures time for 20 oscillations for a simple pendulum as 30 second, 32 second, 35 second and 31 second. If the minimum division in the measuring clock is 1 second, then the correct time in second is how much? Now the first thing that we'll do is we'll find out the most probable value जिसको हम arithmetic mean से find कर सकते हैं. आप option देखोगे तो सब 32 आ जाएगा वैसे भी. Still let us find out. So the mean time is 30 plus 32 plus 35 plus 31 divided by 4. This is 128 by 4 which comes out to be 32 second. Now ये error वाला part हमें find करना है. उसके लिए what we'll do is we'll find out the absolute error in each case. Now absolute error delta t is given by the mean value minus the readings that we have. So पहला वाला absolute error will be equal to mean value is 32 minus the first वाला reading is 30. So यहाँ get 2. Second वाले के लिए we will have 32 minus 32 which is 0. Third वाले के लिए we have 32 minus 35 which is minus 3 but mod है तो it is 3. And fourth वाले के लिए it is 32 minus 31 which is 1. Now finally we'll find out the mean absolute error over here which is delta t1, delta t2, delta t3, delta t4 divided by 4. So this is 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1 divided by 4 which is 6 upon 4. Now this comes out to be 1.5 second. Now there is no option of 1.5, so by rounding off, क्योंकि measuring clock में we got the minimum division to be 1 second, so we will take the correct answer as 32 plus or minus 2 seconds. Hope you all understood this. और एक sum देख लेते हैं. Let x equal to a square b square by c be the physical quantity if the percentage error in the measurement of physical quantities a, b and c is 2, 3 and 4% respectively, then find the percentage error in the measurement of x. Now ये last वाले lecture में हमने ये discuss किया था. What we are given is x is equal to a square b square by c. Then percentage error in x is nothing but percentage error in this quantity. Now यहाँ पे power भी आ रहा है, तो power अगर आपको याद रहेगा तो we need to multiply it 2 into percentage error of a plus second quantity उसमें भी power 2 है into percentage error in b plus c. Even though it is denominator, यहाँ पे add ही करना है. Please remember this. We have discussed this in the last lecture. अगर नहीं देखा है तो please check it out. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा delta c upon c into 100. So you get 2 into percentage error in a is already given as 2. 2 into percentage error in b is given as 3 and percentage error in c is 4. तो ये हो जाएगा 2 2 is 4 plus 6 plus 4 which is 14%. So the correct option is option B. Hope you all understood this. Next sum देख लेते हैं. In an experiment, the percentage of error occurred in the measurement of physical quantities A, B, C and D are 1, 2, 3 and 4% respectively. Then the maximum percentage error in the measurement of X will be how much? तो ये आप आराम से कर सकते हो अगर पिछला वाला आपको समझ में आ गया है तो. Let us try it out. आप लोग एक बार ट्राई करो और फिर चेकआउट करो ये, फिर इसको देखो. So percentage error in x is written as delta x by x into 100. फिर हमें इसका percentage error लिखना है which is delta a by a into 100. But remember इसके साथ ये power 2 है तो वो power multiply हो जाएगा. Next we got percentage error of b और उसका power half है, so we have to multiply it by half. Next 1 by 3 into percentage error of c and finally 3 times the percentage error of d. Let us put their values. 2 into a का percentage error is 1, 1 by 2 b का percentage error is 2, 1 by 3, C का percentage error is 3, and lastly this is 3 into D का percentage error is 4. तो ये हो गया 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 12. So the total percentage error that comes out over here is how much? 16%. So the correct option is option D. I hope आप लोग को ये समझ में आ गया अभी अच्छे से. और एक सम देख लेते हैं. The density of the material in the shape of a cube is measured by measuring the three sides of the cube and its mass. If the relative error in measuring the mass and length are respectively 1.5% and 1%, the maximum error in determining the density is how much? We know that density is nothing but mass upon volume, and यहाँ पे volume is nothing but length का cube in the case of cube over here. ठीक है, so percentage error in density will be given by numerator में we got mass, percentage error of mass into percentage error of this denominator term, उसका power 3 है तो we will multiply it by 3. This is delta L by L into 100. Now delta M by M into 100, percentage error ये already दिया हुआ है 1.5% plus 3 times length का measurement में we got 1% error, so ये हो गया 4.5% as the answer. So the correct option is option A over here. I hope अब आप लोग को समझ में आ गया errors का फंडा यहाँ पे, और ये आप देख सकते हो कि हर एक कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है. Thank you for your time. If you are finding this lecture series useful, then show us your appreciation by clicking on the like button, and don't forget to share it with your friends and classmates. Stay connected by subscribing to Physics HQ for upcoming classes, and join our Telegram group for all latest development and real-time updates from Physics HQ. See you all in the next class. This is Professor Sandeep from Physics HQ signing off.